So far, Election Day has been running smoothly. We have been out in the precincts. We've been doing a really good job, I think, so far of handling our calls from the precincts, which has been one of the main things we wanted to focus on since last year. The one thing we're hearing from voters that they weren't expecting was they're using paper ballots, what we've been calling electronically scanned ballots. And that's been a new shift since the General Assembly changed their philosophy about voting equipment away from the touchscreen machines towards the optical scan machines. However, the optical scan machines we have in Fairfax are getting a little old, so we're looking forward to buying a brand new state-of-the-art system that we should have in place before next election that's going to be integrated and that's going to put us at the forefront of technology in the Commonwealth of Virginia. Our polling places are open today till 7 p.m., so we encourage everybody to get out there and take advantage of their right to vote. We're going to make sure we have all of our information available on the website, fairfaxcounty.gov, and if you have any questions or concerns, please bring them to our attention. Give us a call at the county election office.